Good morning, children. Today we are learning our second lesson, A Question of Grammar, Text 12 Bits. So, children, today we are learning our second lesson. It is the grammar part we shall learn before doing the text 12 bits. So, here, today in this class we are learning articles and demonstratives. So, what are the articles? Articles are a and the. These three words are known as articles. In this class, we shall learn how to use the articles and in our sentences. Here. And we also have the demonstratives. We shall discuss this later. But let us learn first what are those. Demonstratives. These are this, that, these, those. These words are known as demonstratives. Where do we use a and an? A and we use to prefer a singular nouns. To point out a single object which we are using, there we use the word a and an. And about the use of the, the, the. This we use to a specific nouns. The is used for both singular and plural nouns, whereas a and an we use only for singular nouns. Next, here the other demonstratives, this and that. This, this, we use to say about the things which are near to us and that to a singular thing. You are all away this Saturday. This, this means the day which was near. This Saturday means you are all away. Means just 2 or 3 days near to us. That is called this. Next example, William's friends walked up to that garden by the river. That garden means the thing which is far. And that these and those. These we use to refer for plural things. The examples like these paintings on this wall were done by my mother. These paintings means more than one painting which we did. So we call it as these paintings. On this wall means only one wall were done by my mother. Those paintings. Those means more than one which is far. Those paintings on that wall means the wall opposite to you or which is far from you. That wall were done by my brother. Mother did these walls. Those walls were done by brother. This is the way to use the demonstratives. Let us do a bit to understand this a and an to use in our sentences. This passage has an error in each line. Write the incorrect word and the correction in the blanks. First line, if you could see, on the cold rainy day when my father was a. On the cold rainy day you should not write. On a cold rainy day. A means one. One cold rainy day it was. So you should write a. The is incorrect. So write the in incorrect column and a in correct column. Second line. Little boy, he met a old cat on his street. A old cat is wrong. Why? Because old is the word which begins with a vowel. So the words which are beginning with the vowel like A, E, I, O, U. If it is a singular, you should put an in front of it. An old cat. An is correct, A is incorrect. Third line. A cat was very wet and uncomfortable, so my. A cat means any one cat. So here you have put, that is, the is correct, whereas A is incorrect. You should write the cat. Means you are specifying, you are showing that cat particularly. So we use the. Next line. Father asked, do you want the cup of milk? Not the cup of milk. Do you want a cup of milk? A is correct, the is incorrect. This surprised a cat. She hadn't met anyone. A is incorrect there. You should write the cat. Who cared about a old cat? But she said. An old cat. A is incorrect, an is correct. Can I sit before an warm furnace? We have. An is wrong, incorrect, whereas A is correct. Hope that everyone understood how to use A and an in our sentences. We shall meet in the next class. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.